moment, our counselors are busy helping other callers. After the beep, please leave a detailed message about how street art is affecting your life. You are not alone. There is help.
I don't know if I'm addicted to street art, but I love it and I can't seem to stop doing it, and I don't want to stop.
There's paint on everything. Everything I own, even my church clothes.
Don't just be a pretty boy and be bombing boulevards, avenues, very commercial. That's how you get bagged. You know, that's how you get caught. Don't get caught out there, man. Vandal Squad is up your ass. They have a list. You're on it.
Giuliani started the Vandal Squad in '94, and his slogan was like, it's a cleaner city, it's a safer city. So he thought he could take care of all the petty crime, and all the big crime takes care of itself. These kids all think they're Banksy. All these kids tagging stuff, and they go right to jail. You guys, they're stupid, and it's frustrating. I don't get a rush. I don't get a rush at looking at a mother come over and try to bail her son out for $2,000 when that's all she's making for the month, you know? It's not. It's sad, if anything. And I hate busting these kids. I just want to tell them, you know what? Don't draw on the wall. Get a canvas. Paint on the canvas. Do some paint on some sneakers. Get a t-shirt. Do all your graffiti shit, but don't do it on somebody's private property.
So New York Penal Law 145.60 is really the main offense that a graffiti artist would be charged with. But any time that you etch, paint, sticker, spray paint in any form a public or private building without permission, you are potentially guilty of this crime, and it's an A misdemeanor. So a misdemeanor is a legitimate offense, for lack of a better term, a 1-year potential sentence.
And we'll stake out. We'll sit in a van for 2.5 hours sometimes. That's why we got a van and not a car, so I can take a nap. So we're going to pick up Gerald. Well, I knew he was, you know, I knew he was in trouble in the beginning, because the third day that he was on the job, his mother called to tell me that he was going to be late. His mother called me. You got to meet this guy. He's a piece of work. Oh. Don't put that in there.
My bad, Bobby. I'm sorry. All right. Yeah. Jesus, man. New in the city, man. I got to learn the subways. I'm sorry, dude. Won't happen again. You driving?
I'm driving. So right now, we're just going to drive by. We're always keeping our eyes open. Always keeping our eyes open. We're rolling around. There's 3 signs you know somebody's about to do something. Their head's turning around like a fucking turtle. Back and forth, back and forth. Their body doesn't move, just their heads. Then you got the rabbit. He's going from one corner to another corner. One corner, back and forth, back and forth. Third sign, guy's checking his pockets, looking in his bag, looking around like a crazy bird. Those are the 3 animals. You got the rabbit, the bird, and the turtle. Now, what are you getting?
I'm looking for yogurt. I like the Chobani's with a little fruit in it. Hey, what's that? What's that?
Got it.
Let's go. It's about time, baby. It's go time, baby. What you saw there was typical 594. The assailant was a female, approximately 5'10", and immediately moved on the subject, at which point a foot chase ensued. I was leading the way as Detective Bobby was, he had my back, I suppose. He was somewhere back there.
The one piece of advice that I would give to an artist who was caught, whether it's in the act or it's a call on the phone or a knock on the door, is silence and respect is your friend. You do not have to answer questions. You have rights. Don't be your own worst enemy.
This is a day in the life. It's a tough job, and somebody's got to do it.
One of these days we'll get a politician with the balls to stand up to these vandals and let us shoot on sight like we should.
All right, then.